some inspiration to the students. And the program which you have been conducted is very fantastic and amazing. And by seeing this program, the students will learn how to make the effort and how they to reach the goals. So how you people are struggling, in the same way our students also should go in such a way, so that the program which they have been watched here is very fantastic and amazing.
And it is very fantastic and amazing, as the teacher told. And you did your efforts from the morning onwards. And congratulations to the ISRO who has success in this one, in our. And you did a planetarium here, and all of our school children, our new little school children, and watched, and they were very happy to see the planetarium inside. It's very nice watching that. I'm very happy to see, as we are the students of this school and the students of this generation, to reach your goal and do the success. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.